What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to eliminate water flooding your basement by extending your downspouts out. Now, as you can see, they already have a downspout. Looks like someone tried to run corrugated pipe, but the problem is it is all clogged up and it's not working. So when the water comes out, it actually just comes right above, back fills up, and actually comes out of the pipe over there. Now, first off, you should never use black corrugated pipe, but it's already in. We can't rip up the pavers, so we're gonna go ahead and find it on the other side of the pavers here. I'm gonna connect it up with this connection right here into the corrugated pipe, transition it into PVC right here, and then come out to a pop-up over here in the yard, so that way when the water comes down, it'll now overflow over here instead of overflowing back and going into his basement. Now on the opposite side, the back right of his house, we're going to be going ahead and extend the downspout 20 feet away, so that way the water isn't coming out right there, being trapped in here and going back into his basement. So please guys, make sure you always run your downspouts out away from your house, so that way that's less water that's trying to facilitate into your basement. Otherwise, someone will try to sell you a French drain system inside your basement, and you don't want that, because why would you ever want to invite the water to go through your foundation to begin with? So first step is always to just extend your downspouts away from the house. That usually fixes 90% of all drainage issues. And here we go, I got it all dug out. As you can see over here, here is the corrugated pipe. This is why I don't like it. People don't use real connections, they don't fit and everything, and they try to use duct tape. We all know WD-40 and duct tape can fix just about anything, but duct tape with water is a no-go. That's a negative Ghost Rider. The water will eventually just make the duct tape fall apart and deteriorate. So do it right the first time, use PVC. All right, I got all that dug out now, and as you can see, this is a perfect example of why not to use corrugated pipe. Okay, it crushes, it fills up all the ridges inside, make the dirt build up inside instead of being able to have a smooth wall and be able to just continuously flow out. So don't use this stuff, it crushes, it's no good. Stick with the PVC. As you can see, roots, everything else try to grow through it. People try to duct tape it together because it can't make solid connections. So stick with PVC. If you have to use the black corrugated pipe, if you're trying to convert it from the black corrugated to PVC, you want to make sure you get one of these adapters. No duct tape. Use this adapter. This goes in ever so nicely, just like that. Gets stuck in the grooves. Now it's actually connected. Get a coupling, coupling it over. Now it is perfectly connected, and then you put the non-bell in inside the PVC pipe to be able to run it out, just like that. Put that in, connect it up, and that's it. And here we go. This is what it looks like in the end. You have it all connected up. You have the level, as you can see, going completely downhill. So as soon as the water comes down the downspout, it's going to go underneath the pavers there, come out, and all the way to the pop-up. Now to backfill, show how this side works. And here we go. As you can see, the pop-up comes up, water comes out. Got the hose over here in the clean out, and just like that. And when it's raining, you have all that head pressure right there coming down, forcing the water to come up even faster. But this is how you do it. This is how you eliminate your basement flooding, by running your downspouts out. Now to do the other side. And here we go. We got this side dug out. Got the grass flipped over. As you can see, they had this little downspout extension onto the downspout, which is, you know, fine and dandy, but it didn't really go far. So it would go here, the water would come out, it just build up, and go right back into the basement. So that's why I tell everybody, the first thing you want to do, no matter what, when you're having water issues inside your basement, is run all your downspouts away from the foundation. Running the downspouts out alone solves about 90% of all drainage problems. If the problem persists after that, then you want to go ahead and think about doing a French drain and dry wells. But you always want to try to do the simplest thing first and go from there. Now to dig it out and get it piped up. And here we go. Got it all dug out. We're ready to pipe it up. Had to go under the sprinkler lines over here. Didn't break nothing. Now pipe it, get the level, make sure it's all good, And here we go. I got the back side all done. It's all piped up, as you can see. Downhill to level, right here, all the way. Now, backfill it, show you how it works. This is how you once again eliminate water flooding your basement by extending out your downspouts. All right, here we go. Now it's all done. As you can see, the water is facilitating out of the pop-up, will come up and be able to disperse and redrain back into the ground instead of going backwards to the house and draining back into his basement. So once again, this is how you eliminate water getting into your basement with downspout extensions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.